Hey guys, welcome to Tech. And in this video, I'm going to solve one more question based on output of the program. Okay, so we have this question from the question paper of 2016, and this is the question. It is, I think, asked for 3 marks. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, what this question has is it's having a class. Okay, they're having public members. They're having this is a constructor. Okay, see the same name is same, therefore this is a constructor. That means that whenever a object is created of this class, then this constructor will be called and these values will be given to the respective members of the class. That means that when this statement will execute for the s object, the variables of s will get this default values. Okay, for the same t, same thing will happen. For u, same thing will happen. These are all objects of this class. This is the class. Okay, this is the class. Okay, now let us go line by line. This is the class, so yeah, no need to get this for now. We'll go for the main first, because here we can see share stu. These are three objects and these are this is class. Okay, so in every year this type of question is asked, and whenever this type of question will be asked, what we'll do, you just make a rough column in the rough side of a sheet. You just make these types of columns. So what this column contains is that every variable of the question. See, this is code, this is a variable, this is a variable, this is a variable. Then you have c as a variable, r as a variable, d as a variable, change as a variable. Okay, and I think, yeah, these are the variables. dd is also variable. Okay, so now what will you just make columns for for each object. Okay, let us think that this is for s object. This is s. Let us get this for t and this for u. Okay, so this for u. Okay, so what to do, you just make columns. You can write all the variable names in each column. Okay, now we have created this. Now this statement will be executed first, and we know that there is a constructor. Okay, so whenever we'll make s, whenever x will be created, then the values will be, code will get 100 this values, rate will get this, and the dd will get. So what we'll do, we'll just make go here, and this is for s. So here we have code default value for code as uh, yeah, 100, 1000. Default value for rate is 100 and dd is 1. Okay, so rate is 100, dd is 1. Okay, this will you write for the first line for this. Okay, so same thing happening for t and u. Okay, so what are these? They're just 0 because there are no values for them. We'll give it in the next line. Okay, and just you can copy this thing because everyone has the same values, because there is no argument sent. So there is no argument sent, therefore the constructor will give the same values for all the objects. Okay, now the next line, you have s dot get code, so you have to go for the, so you'll use the s column here. Okay, you'll use the s table. Now you'll go for the function s get code. So you'll pass these values. So where is get code? You can see that, yes, here is the get code. Okay, this is the function. So you have passed the values 1324 and 350. Now these values will go, this will come and this will go here. Okay, therefore int c will be 1324 and r will be 350 for the case of s. Okay, so 1324 for c and r is 350. Okay, so 1324 and r is 50. Huh? Okay, sorry, 350. Okay, so now you can see that we have passed the values here, and here code has been assigned the value of c. Therefore code will become c and rate will become r. That means that code and rate will get the values of that. Okay, so 1324 will come here and 350 will come here. Okay, so that's what is happening in this function. We pass the values here, these values are given to this. Okay, now we have t. This is executed, the code is executed, and that's it, the function is executed. Now next line is for team, therefore this is finished, so you'll write the remaining values. So you'll just copy these values here. So this is 1, this is 0, this is also 0. Okay, so now you're going for the t, this is for t. Okay, So what is happening in T? There are also the same thing is happening. We have given two values 1435 into 50. It will go here, here. Okay. So in C will become 1435 and 250. Okay. Float R will be 250. I'll write it here. 1435 and 250. 1435 and 250. 1435 and 250. Okay. Now same thing will happen here also. That code will be 1435 and it will be 250. Right. 1435 and okay. Okay. That's it. Remaining will be same. Just copy this thing here. Okay. 0 0. Okay. Now next thing. What is happening here is s dot update. So we'll just pass this value to the update function. This is the function here, update. So now we are passing these values. Therefore, what is here? Change will become 50, right? And 28 is gone here. Therefore, d will become 28, 50 and 28. This is for s. This will become 50. This will become 28. Now here you can see rate is equal to rate. Rate will be rate plus change. We know this thing, yeah. So rate will be this. What this means is that rate is equal to rate plus change. Rate is equal to rate plus change. Okay. So what will get? Well, rate will become rate plus change. So where is the rate? Rate is here. 350. 350 plus what is change? 10 is 50. Right. So it will become 400. And the same thing. dt will become d. So where is dd? It will become d. D is 28. Okay. Now that's it. This is for the function only. So we will write just the remaining thing will be copied here. 1324. Sorry. What happened to you, bro? Yeah, 1324. You get 1324 same here and 350 here. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. So now let's go for the next. You have next line as u dot update. You have to pass the values minus 25 and 26. Okay. So where is update? Here is update. Change will become minus 25 and d will become 26. So it will become minus 25. D will be 26. Okay. Now, next thing here. These are the values. Now rate will become rate plus change. So you have rate as 100 and then minus 100 plus minus 25 will be 75, right? And then you have dd is equal to d. Dd will become d, that is 26. Okay. Now you have next. So this is complete. Okay, sorry, this is completed. Now we have s dot status. Okay, final part is you go for s and you go for status. Okay, here what is the output here? You go line by line. You have write this is a string. You write this same to same. So the final answer in your answer sheet will be something like this. Write the date, same thing. Okay. Now then you have this. If you copied this, now this you have dd. What is dd here? For the s one, we are because we are going for the s, right? So what is this is for s? What is dd here? Dd here is 28. So write 28 here. Then you have new line. So you go for new line and they'll write what is code. Okay, so we just go for new line. Now what is code for s? The code for s final value for code is 1324. So you write 1324 and then what you have is you have a pound sign, right? So later pound here. Then you have rate. What is rate for s1? It is 400. So write 400 here. Okay. Now next new line. Okay, so this is new line. Now this is complete. The function is complete. Now go for here again for the main. Go in the main. Then you have t dot status. Okay, so where is t? So where is status? Status here. So what is, you write the same thing here. So you write data here, date, so date here. Then we have dd. So dd for this is for t, right? Dd here is final value is 1. So you write 1 here. Okay, so 1. Then you have new line a and dl. Then it's going for new line. Then you have code. This line says that write the code for this. Final value for code is 1435. Okay, 1435. And then we have a pound sign here, pound sign. Then you have rate. What is rate for this? Rate for this is 250. So right, sorry, 250 here. Okay, what is then go for the new line. Okay, now what you have, this is complete. Now go for here, it is u dot status, right? Now go here, status, cout, same thing, date, date, this colon, and then dd for u is 26, so write 26 here. Okay, then new line, and you go for new line here because there is a new line. Now cout code pound date. So what is code for this? This is for, okay, this copy this same thing. So what is code here? Code here is 1000 near pound sign, and then rate for here is 75. Okay, that's it. This is the final answer. In your answer sheet you will write this thing,